So good afternoon everyone, I am Kurt Freyland T. Salvador from PSE2 Phil at ako ang magre-report sa prenatal development. So sa prenatal development ay merong tatlong stages. Isa na dito ay ang germinal period, first 2 weeks after the conception. Letter A, creation of zygote. Letter B, continued cell division. C, attachment of the zygote to the uterine wall. And last, differentiation of cell already begins as inner blastocyst and outer trophoblast layer of the organism are formed. So sa germinal period, dito na mag-umpisang mabuo ang isang human being. Pero kung hindi naman ito na germinate or walang germination na naganap, maaring wala o hindi nabuo ang inyong pagtatali. Yan. So dito pinapakita sa illustration na ito ang germinal period. So first is in the ovary. Ito yung ovary. So dito nagkakaroon ng releasing of an egg. Release ng egg dito. Then may DNA. Ang hirap pala ng report ko.